You have a regular cleaning solution, extreme cleaning solution, and the last chance cleaning solution. Okay, I don't clean that much because usually I don't get clogs. And if I get the clogs, I have automatic cleaning machine. Here the goal is to put some cleaning solution inside the printhead, but not to push anything out. So you have to be pretty gentle. You want the ink to be come out like beads, not like fountains. And you will do for each color and see the printhead for 5 to 10 minutes. You'll be able to see where is clogged and where's not. You're going to see there's no clog on the top, but on the bottom there's a little bit of clog. So that little bit will be helped with the cleaning solutions. And the third time, you're going to see the ink coming out of the clog. And then I change out distilled water. Usually do not push this hard, okay? I just want to show you the beads for the video effect. Normally, I do a lot slower than this. If you go to DTFPRO.com, you go to Clean and Parts, scroll down, and you're going to find this sampler pad.